In this video, I'm going to show you how to look through the old received chat invites that you have received on Facebook Messenger. So to look through that, you want to first click on these three dots, then click activity log, then your Facebook activity, then scroll down, and then you should find messages here. Click on that, and then you want to click received received chat invites. Oops, I have to click on that. Okay, and here you should be able to find all of the history of the received chat invites that you have received throughout your Facebook history, and you could also filter through date, and you could basically view them from here. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.